this is George Privateer coming to you from the Rowmark home office here in Findlay, Ohio. Wanted to show you a couple of our products that we have that are a little more UV stable, outdoor weatherable as the weather starts to turn. Products that'll hold up in the environments, particularly when it gets cold and rainy and windy as it does here in the northern part of the country. And one of those products that we have is Metalgraph Plus. And I'm going to show you this product here. And Metalgraph Plus is a UV stable, outdoor weatherable, laser and rotary engravable product. And the unique thing about this product is that it has an integrated hard coat, so it's fingerprint and scratch resistant, does a wonderful job when you're outdoors or in any high traffic areas. It's a great product to be able to integrate both interior and exterior signage as well. Now, one of the things that we've done with this product line, in addition to the brushed patterns on the metals that we have, we also have a textured finish. And I'm going to show you that right here. So this textured product, again, even adds another layer of fingerprint and scratch resistance. Gives you a little bit more option when you're designing interior and exterior signage. And one of the questions we often get about this product is, why did we make a gold over gold or a silver over silver? And one of the reasons we did that is if you're going to use this product to, say, create routed letters or numbers that are going to go on the side of a wall or onto a sign itself, we gave it a silver backing. That way you don't have to route the edges of that product. You don't have to bevel the edges to get a nice clean look. So it'll look like one consistent color on that product. So again, Metalgraph Plus, available exclusively from Rowmark. We're the only ones that have this product with the integrated hard coat. Available through any authorized Rowmark distributor. If you're looking for a distributor and you don't know where to find one, feel free to visit us at rowmark.com and we'll be able to point you in the direction of an authorized Rowmark distributor. Again, I'm George Privateer, and as always, have a remarkable day.